Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video on Oracle Apex new features and version 24.1. It is released yesterday, and today I'm going to explain the AI configuration part in this video, and in the preceding videos we will cover its different features. So it is a very nice feature, and in Oracle Apex low code, introducing AI assisted application development will really add value, not only to the application but to the developers as well, right? So if you see here, we have this configure generative AI service. It is configured at workspace level, right? So we have to configure, and this will be now, once you will configure at workspace level, for sure it is available to the all applications and features of that workspace, right? I think later we will discuss in others. Let's first learn how we can configure it, because by default it is not enabled and we have to configure it, right? And please note it down, it is available in 24.1, right? Okay, let me show you. This is my Oracle Apex. It is on apex.oracle.com, and for that I need to go to Workspace Utilities, all utilities, and here is the option Generative AI, configure Generative AI service, right? When I'm clicking it, it is empty, right? So there is no service at the moment. That's why it is, nothing is enabled even. So first I will click on create button, and on the top I have, let me remove email at least, I have this three services are available at the moment: OpenAI, OCI Generative AI Services, and Cohere. So I'm going to configure this free API, which you can just register and get the API key. I will show you that as well. Let me add some name, COHERE, Cohere, and ID stuff, COHERE. I'm just adding one ID. And used by app builder, yes, I will enable it. This by default is there, I'm not changing it at all. And since it is first time, so there were no credentials already entered, so I'm just will be entering the API key. Now how to get this API key? For that you have to go to this cohere.ai, and then once you will register, it's free. Let me show you. cohere.ai, right? So here you can just try now and you will register your account. It's maybe less than 30 seconds job, and once you will get access to your account, just 2 or 3 screens, you have to click next. Then you have to go to the API keys on the left side, if you see here, and it is already there. I have copied this key, right? It is generated, and I will be just pasting over here. It is pasted now. Nothing else I will change now at the moment, and will be hitting the create button. Okay, so that's it. Now this AI service is enabled for this workspace, and now in next video I'm going to share with you the use of assistant, AI assistant, how we can use that, how we can pass our instructions to the assistant to generate select statements or any other help. And even on the screen we can show them. Even I asked him, okay, please write me a sick leave application. It was available over there. So just imagine, it will really not only change the things for the developer but also for the end users as well, because you are going to give these features to the end users as well. It's not only for the developer. So in next video I'm going to show how you can enable. I mean, enablement is already done. how we can use them in our query building or other, in the application itself as well, right? Okay, keep visiting, and please share your feedback about this new feature of Oracle Apex. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.